I couldn't get you yesterday. AAA transport, back at it again. I dropped the other video, but we got it.
Oh man,
y'all, we still here.
Up, man?
We still alive.
Still alive.
That last Cali vlog was like from a month ago, so we just uploaded that. It was lost footage. But this is, what is it, May? We're in May now.
May.
Dead ass. So
they probably like, they ain't never gonna look different.
yeah, it has been a minute. Y'all got you. But we here now getting loaded up. We in Columbia. Just got a quick shipment. Well, actually drops off tomorrow in North Carolina. Ooh.
Yeah, I got you. Go down one. Go down another one. Go down another one. Good.
But yeah, YouTube fam, man, we out here in the Met right now, in the Vista. At this hotel, we got moving some sofas and stuff. A little quick, like, little going, I don't know exactly where it's at, but it's like near Charlotte. So, yeah. Anything you want to tell them, bro? Because they think we don't be active, bro. We just ain't been working. I mean, we just ain't been recording.
We been working. We just ain't been recording.
We got
a lot of stuff going on right now.
Yeah.
In life, trying to handle.
Yeah.
Get situated, but man, I ain't even gonna lie. I'm worried about smacking the crap out of you.
Yeah, so we've been busy. Like, we've been running. We've been actually over the road this time, but it just, you know, we just took a break from recording, you know, get down to the nitty gritty, get down to the business of it. We got a lot of stuff coming this summer, had to prepare for the summer. But nah, bro, we probably got to help them open the door real quick.
Yeah.
So yeah, don't count us out now. We ain't over with. Can't do that. We still working. Just because you don't see it don't mean we ain't working. We try to keep y'all at every step, but you know, we just felt like we was doing a lot of repetitive stuff. Just trying to game plan and give y'all some more content or more things. So yeah, that's what's going on. This one push over? All right, y'all, so we done made it to the drop-off location to drop these sofas off. See what we got going, man. It's done full. Been over here. Went inside already. See what they got going. Hope y'all doing all right on this fine morning. What is like 9:30 in the morning right now, brother? Yeah, started a little early. They already had it, so we got like 6. Got here. Ready to drop off. Got the next pickup ready for us, so that's good. That one's headed down to Florida, but we're gonna see if we get a little local Winston-Salem load real quick.
I have a drop off. They coming from the hotel.
Columbia, South Carolina.
They're gonna receive down there. Is it some kind of return or something?
Yes, ma'am. It's return. All right, y'all. So we done made it to the other pickup location to go to Florida and stuff. About to get unloaded now. The man took the morning half. We gotta go back to the crib, drop off in the morning, but yeah. But about to get loaded up, some more furniture, and shoot, keep this thing rolling, man. But yeah, man, so we just got that loaded up and everything. So, headed down to Florida. It's dropping in the morning, Friday afternoon. Well, it's Friday morning. Today is Thursday, so yeah, man, we keep that thing rolling, man.
Keep it rolling, baby.
They ain't working. Gas prices done got them. Ain't it? Like what? Nah, man, we out here. We still out here, man.
Yeah,
just because you don't see me working, don't mean look at my hand. We working.
That man said, look at my hand.
All right, y'all. So we done made it to Florida, man. About to check in and see, you know, what we got going on. Yeah. Hey, how you doing, man? I have a drop off from North Carolina. It was from High Point, North Carolina. from High Point. It's like yeah, so we ended up going to the front office real quick. Wrong spot. Gotta go around the building, talk to people over the shipping department. That's why signs are essential. The company name ain't the same as the building name. They saying this is House of Merit, and the name of the place supposed to be Champion Home. Oh man. Going out here, back up in. Still rolling, still rolling. We over here at the mobile home maker. But I'm about to go back here, bro. I'm about to yeah, he waiting for us. Right, come on. What's up, man? I got you. Oh, shit. Man, it's dirty as hell. I'm helping out put these pallets. They ain't got no dock, so ain't it? Sideways, please, sir. Oh, you got it. Yeah, so we got the pallets and everything. Man,
back
see
up
my
a little
man's loading it up. Yeah, they didn't say we needed one. They didn't say we needed it. We don't have one. Okay.
You record me, get the pellet.
I got you. Yeah, okay. I thought
Only the battery is 8,000. It's 8,000 pounds? Yeah. Only the battery. Oh, yesterday, it's coming in one
8,000
truck.
pounds.
Listen, yesterday, it's coming in one truck. This one here, the metal.
yeah.
Before, that's me use it, that's me the driver.
Yeah.
No problem. Sometimes maybe them not responsible in mine or in the company, no problem. No, you go, okay. Boom!
Oh, yeah.
only this, 8,000. Come on, right
Oh, yeah, I see what he's saying.
Oh, the big ones, the
Yeah.
big ones.
here. Right here.
Yeah, these bigger than the
Right
other
there.
ones.
8,000
I
pounds.
appreciate it. It's gonna be too. It's gonna be too. I got
Yeah, those are big ones.
The yellow color jug over there.
All right, then. No problem. I need to work it out anyway.
That's only this truck is has me scared.
Yeah,
No problem.
I appreciate it though. We really appreciate it though. I thought it was just 2 pallets. 3?
Right here. 10 cartons, 3 pallets.
Okay.
This is
Yeah, that works. Alright, y'all, so we done made it to the Spencer. Doing something to Spencer's, to the distributors. Gotta ring the doorbell real quick. Oh, the door ain't even open. There we go. And just like that, y'all, we're done for the day. But we're not done for the day. Next load. But that's it for this vlog, y'all. Appreciate y'all for watching, staying tuned, staying locked in with us. But off to the next load, to the next city, to the next whatever. But we still running. Any final words, my brother? for them for today?
Get this money. That's the best thing on the offer. Even if you die trying to get it.
All right, y'all. AAA Transport signing out. Dang, my boy is hot.